In front of me is OPPO Pad Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and install this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!